Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Bossman Teaching speaking on behalf of We Still A Learn. And these are the activities that will take place on Saturdays and Sundays, right? Now, while I've shown you this, I need to give you an update on what will happen for Mondays to Thursdays, as well as the best ways to contact us, right? So, go to Facebook and Instagram. You can press the WhatsApp button there. If you want to join the WhatsApp channel where you'll see all the updates, you go to the YouTube page and I'll show you how to do all of these things, right? So with that being said, I think we've seen enough of this. Let me show you what Monday to Thursday looks like, and who knows, maybe I'll throw on a brain teaser and we'll solve that together. And of course, I'll invite you to join me in making some more of these videos so you can be a part of that experience too. If only you knew how heavy this actually is. Or, yeah, you know what? I don't know if I said that contextually correctly, but yes, you have no idea how heavy this thing really is. So, in any case, give me a second. I'm just updating what you should be seeing from Monday to Thursday. So again, hopefully next time you'll be seeing the entire team with me when I do this next time around. So, stick around for the next reel. And Monday to Thursday is going to look like, so Monday to Thursday is going to look like this, right? So naturally, we'll have to have a timetable. More than likely, it will come in the form of a Google form. And once you sign that up, then you'll officially be a part of the class. So registration will actually be on a Google form. And of course, on the same place where you register, you'll actually choose the times that work best for you, right? And also, if the kids want, they actually choose their teacher as well. So you choose the timetable, you choose the teacher, and even the activities that you want to do, right? So that's what this is going to be, right? So your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is going to look like this, and you remember what we had for Saturday and Sunday. Yeah, look at that. And now let's see if I can deliver. Let's see if I can deliver when it comes to the brain teasers, right? But just giving you one last look at this. And all of the puzzles are courtesy of the M.A.T.H show. So I give credit where it's due. So let me know what you think this is.